outside again. I'm going to have to explain this to you before I start it up because it gets very noisy, but in here I've got a jar full of 28-second heating oil. The air is through this red pipe from that little compressor. Air blows straight through the middle and goes continuous. There's a small hole all the way through the atomizer. The oil is fed into a ring around here, and I've got control of the amount of oil by screwing this screw in and out. But there's a vortex created in there, and there's a suction. So when I put the blue pipe in the oil, oil will be sucked and will start coming out my atomizer. The little burner here is incredibly efficient and hot, which you'll see in a minute or two, and I'll get it going in free air, and then my plan is to poke it through the hole in my temporary forge, I'd say. That's not a particularly good one. It's the wrong shape, wrong size, but for now I'm going to poke it through that hole, and inside here I'm going to have a piece of metal, and a bit of luck where you'll see that getting red hot. Now just to light the thing, I always like to have my blowtorch going, again, which is noisy in itself. If when I move it that goes out, I have to be ever so quick and light the stream, after there's lots of nasty vapours floating around in the air. Okay, I'm gonna switch everything on now, and hopefully you'll see. So as you can see, there's plenty of heat. Set fire my bit of wood, used half a jar of oil. I've got adjustment of the oil flow and size of the flame on the inside, but as I said earlier, the forge is not the right shape and not finished properly. That's where my new one's going to come into it.